Hello. So this is the problem given. I have taken rather to solve the 3D or isometric view. Okay. The first step is to mark the 30 degree angles. Draw one horizontal line first, mark O point and take the 30 degree angle on both the sides, and then one vertical line. Okay, and when I want to place my front view, then I should decide on which side I should place the front view. Here I am thinking of placing this front view over here, because the front view, when it will be on this side, then this part of side view could be seen easily over here, and then the top view. So from by placing the front view over here, we can see that object fully or maximum. I told you about this, that 95% of object we can see over an 120 degree angle. So as this is 120 degree angle, but then also we need to decide where the front view should be. Okay, so I have decided to draw my front view over here, and by completing this figure, or by taking front view over here, you at the end you might understand why I have chosen this side for the front view. Okay, so let us start with the front view. So this is our front view. So directly, rather first we need to draw that cuboid. Okay, so this is our length. Total length, it is 30 plus 15 plus 15 plus this radius is 30. So 30, 30. So it's 90. Okay, so the length of our front view is 90. Right, like this. So it's 90. Then height of front view, height we can see in front view, so that is 70. Okay, so this is our height, and then width is this one. As the radius of this circle is 30, so total base it is 60, right? So here we can place 60 over here, like this. And now complete the cuboid like this by just extending your lines like this. Oh, maybe I am not able to complete this. Okay, let us try first. Oof. Okay, so it's exact, right? Great. Okay, so so decide your place at the center of your page. Okay, I made a mistake to draw by drawing it on the upper side of it, or the upper one. So just start drawing from the center. Okay, so as we know, this is our front view, so start drawing over here. So total height it is 70, so total we are going to consider over here, right? Then 16 is the distance, 16 mm distance. So by taking over here as in 16 mm distance, and the distance between that 16 is this point is 30. So just this will be our outline base and this base. Okay, so by having this, just mark 30 over here from this side. Okay, 16 to 13. Okay, this is our point. Just draw one vertical line over here. Like this. We just need a reference point, and from this we need to take 16 mm distance down, right? So just take vertically the distance of 16 over here. So this will give you an inclined line which will be your reference point, right? And now you can imagine through this figure that width of your base is 20. So in this side view we need to show 20 mm width. Okay, and how that we can show? So here also we need to mark 20 mm and here also, right? So this will actually complete your rectangle, but as we know that end of it is circular one, right? So for this purpose we will just have these two reference points, and then afterwards we will complete this part. Okay, first we will complete front view and top view, and then we'll go for the side view. Okay, as it's a bit complicated, right? Dropping down it up to this point, so 70 minus 20, so it will be at 50 mm, right? So just check the distance, 70 minus 16 minus 20. Okay, right, it's 20, it's 50. Or else simply we can say that 50 minus 16 would be 34, right? So 34 is the distance which we should drop up to this point. Okay, so this will complete your one of the sides, and then here you need to draw this line, but we will just draw it for our reference, and afterwards we will draw a circular part on this. Okay, so as you know that it's a section, so we will just draw a parallel line through this, right? And the distance of it is, as we have drawn like this, so exactly parallel line to this portion also, as it is in the top view also. So just draw a parallel line through, just a minute, this point also. Okay, so this will give you the another point of your section. So this part is being completed over here, right? And now by taking or dropping down the same distance which is parallel to your this line, and the distance is 34, like this, so that will also complete your some of the part of top view and then front view too. Okay, now just join these 2 points. So this will complete this slot. Okay, so this will show you that vertical portion, and then base portion is remaining, right? So this is our one of the parts, and then parallel line through this point also. It should be exactly parallel to this. I think I have drawn, rather I have done any of the mistakes somewhere, so that's why it is not parallel and showing the same, but it should be at a point. Here it should be, maybe I have drawn wrong. Okay, but you remember about the parallel lines. Okay, it's okay, I am drawing it now just to complete my figure and not wasting my time. Right, now, so this is our base and this is the vertical portion. Now we will complete this part first, and that is here. As we know that this is 20, then 40, and then remaining will be 10, 10, as the total distance is 60. So simply the distribution of 60 mm would be from the center it is 10, 10, and then again 10 and again 10. So division of 6 will give us the 6 parts of it, and from these 2 points, by drawing the parallel lines or at a distance of 15 mm, we are going to mark Okay, so it's 10 and 15. So at a distance of 15 we are just drawing a parallel line to this line, and by drawing it we find the 2 points where exactly we are going to join the inclined portion. Okay, so these are like this, and then this is 20, then we will directly join this part like this. As bottom part we cannot see through this side, so we'll just have this, and then as it's a complete slot, so we'll just draw one vertical line through this. As we can see from this side only, this portion we cannot see, that's why only that slot could be like this. Okay, so this will complete your almost front view and side view. Now about the side view, what we need to do is first just draw center line. Okay, according to the surface we are going to draw that center line. Okay, like this. So as it's a bottom, so again the angle and the parallel lines are changing like this, and here also, right? Okay, and then just from here we are going to draw, rather first we need to draw a rectangle, a square over here to